start working with positive and negatives now with division. So I have -6 divided by 3. So this is, we're going to start off with our dividend, right? The dividend is going to tell us what color we are. So if we, I went ahead and labeled yellow is going to be positive, pink is going to be negative. On the Nearpod, it's going to be red instead of pink, or pink, it doesn't matter. So looking here, this one is pink, right? It's a -6. So right now, I'm going to start off with pink. This divisor is going to tell me whether I need to keep the same, keep pink, or change it. So remember that the negative means the opposite. So I'm going to write right here. This means this sign tells me to keep it because it's positive. I'm going to put positive sign tells me to keep this color the same. If we look over here, I have a -8 divided by a -2. So right away I have a -8, so I'm not going to color my circles yet because it's pink. I'm going to look here. This negative sign tells me I want the opposite. And what is the opposite of pink? It is yellow. So here we want to keep it because it's positive. The divisor is positive. So I'm going to keep the pink sign, and I'm going to color in my circles pink. Now they're negative. Now I'm going to group my sixes, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 3 in each group. So here's a group of 3, and here's a group of 3. I have 2 groups, but they're pink. So my answer, my quotient, is a negative because it's pink, so it equals -2. -6 divided by 3 is -2. Now over here, because I want the opposite color, this tells me I want the opposite. So the opposite of pink is yellow, so I'm going to color in this yellow. And then I have 8 divided by 2, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put 2 in each group, 1, 2. Each have 2 in it. And how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. They're yellow, which means my answer is a +4. Okay, so the divisor is telling me whether I'm going to keep the color or I'm going to change it. So if we want to do another example, I can do 12 divided by 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my 12 circles for my divisor. Let's change this to a -6. A -6, right? Sorry, you can't see it. 12 divided by -6. So right now it's yellow because my 12 is positive, but my -6 is telling me to change it to its opposite. Change to opposite. So the opposite of yellow, remember, was pink. So I'm going to color in all of my circles pink. So now I know my answer is going to be negative because my circles are pink. And then I need groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's another 2 groups. So -2.